James is waking up from a non-existent nap. He actually didn't ever nap. He's just been in his room talking. And in the last few days, he has a new sound. Are you going to do it? It sounds like a snake. Ethan says he's a Parseltongue from Harry Potter. Speaking snake. Can you do some snake sounds? There were a few. There were a few. Do you want to do more? What am I laughing at? You're totally funny. You're totally funny. Okay, say goodbye. Goodbye.